How to set web addresses links to open in an app or browser on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Apps. After click on Apps, click on this click on Choose Default Apps. After click on Choose Default Apps, scroll down and click on Opening Links. After click on Opening Links, scroll down and you will see apps is here. You will select app from here. For example, click on YouTube app. You will see open spotted link is here. If you want to set web address, you will see. So turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see open spotted links is enable. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can set web addresses linked to open in an app or browser on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.